Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to add Google reCAPTCHA to your FAQ forms using the Easy Accordion plugin. Google reCAPTCHA helps protect your forms from spam and fake submissions. Let's get started. After installing and activating the Easy Accordion plugin, you'll see the Getting Started page. Next, go to Integrations. Here, you'll find an option called Google reCAPTCHA. Make sure this option is enabled. Now, click the settings icon to set up Google reCAPTCHA. A pop-up called Google reCAPTCHA Settings will open. Here, you'll see two versions of reCAPTCHA, where you can add a site key and secret key. You can add one or both versions if you like. To get the site key and secret key, open the link provided in the description. There, add a label, select the reCAPTCHA type, and enter your domain. Then click Submit. After that, copy the site key and secret key and paste them into the reCAPTCHA settings. Make sure the keys match the reCAPTCHA version you selected. To enable reCAPTCHA on your FAQ form, go to your FAQ page. Click the plus icon and add the User FAQ Forms block. On the right side, you'll see the Google reCAPTCHA option. Enable it, select the reCAPTCHA version, and publish the page. Now, on the front end, when users submit the FAQ form, they'll see Google reCAPTCHA working properly. And that's it! This is how you can add Google reCAPTCHA in your FAQ forms using the Easy Accordion plugin. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.